thing that's unique about Optimalt Plus is the combination of the deep domain expertise that we have in electronics manufacturing, combined with the deep domain expertise that we have in enterprise software. And what we've been able to do is create a really unique solution that solves problems end-to-end for our customers, going all the way from data collection all the way to taking action on that data and on the analytics derived from that data in a timely manner, right? Everything has to be done in real time in order to impact our customers' bottom line. We've recently been recognized as a Gartner Cool Vendor for IoT Analytics. This was a great achievement for our company and great recognition of the contribution we're making to the quality of manufacture of IoT devices, and particularly in the arena of the autonomous car, electrical car, and components that are going into the automotive market. Gartner themselves are obviously recognized as the industry leaders in defining trends and understanding where the trends are going. And I think it's great recognition of to the extent to which Optimalt Plus is looking ahead and really providing future-looking solutions for the industry. We were introduced to Vertica in around 2013, and we were looking for something that could scale well beyond the limits of SQL Server. When we were talking even to Microsoft or reading even on the internet about the limitations of SQL Server, it was made very clear that for databases that go beyond 40, 50 terabytes, they actually don't recommend storing the data in that kind of database at all. They recommend splitting it out into multiple databases, and that was a solution that couldn't scale for us because we very often have queries which cross the entire data set. It's very difficult to manage in a database that is limited in scalability. So we started looking around for solutions. We looked at various types of open source solutions, and we found that either from a performance perspective or our ability to support them for our large-scale customers was problematic. And we looked at column store databases, and it was very clear early on that Vertica were the leaders by far in that type of technology at the time, and I think they've maintained that leadership. And what we're seeing today is the ability that we now have to query billions of data points and summarize those billions of data points, or even execute machine learning algorithms on those data points directly in the database to an extent which is simply impossible with any other technology that we've seen. Implementing Vertica has changed our business in multiple different ways. First of all, it's now given us the ability to talk to our customers about big data and really know what we're talking about, and provide them with solutions which really enable them to solve problems at a level of scalability that we didn't think was possible several years ago. And the best thing about it is that we can see it can grow and grow and grow, and also work very well with the other technologies that our customers already have, like big data lakes based on Hadoop or other technologies. And we found that integrating all of that together has given them really great solutions, and our customers are very happy with the results. We've seen situations where we're able to do correlations of billions or actually even trillions of data points in less than a minute. That's taking, for example, thousands of measurements from each semiconductor device that we're monitoring, correlating it to every one of the other thousands of measurements across millions of units, so trillions of data points, and running correlations on all of that data together. We're able to do that in less than a minute. When we're talking about just running summary statistics on billions of data points, those results typically come back in seconds, which means we can use it for interactive analytics with a user-facing application. One thing we've found very useful in Vertica is the ability for us to interpolate data from different time frames. For example, we get time series data out of equipment, which is data coming from sensors that's being measured all the time while the machine is operational. And then we get specific data which is related to a particular board or chip or device or system that's being manufactured by that machine. Vertica gives us great functions, statistical functions and analytical functions, which enable us to correlate that data together and effectively attach the data from the sensors that was relevant for the time at which a particular board was being manufactured to the data from the board itself. And that cross-correlation gives a level of functionality that our users hadn't seen before.